You've waited, you've downloaded, you've attempted, then you hit play on Cyberpunk, then GOG Galaxy, and absolutely nothing happens. That gut punch feeling, when Nicety refuses to load. We've all been there, and it's incredibly frustrating when all you want to do is dive into that neon-soaked world. Stick around, because we're going to tackle those pesky launches shoes head-on and get you back to roaming the streets of Night City in no time.
Okay, so the very first thing you should always try when a game acts up is to verify its files. Think of it like a quick health check for your game installation. GOG Galaxy has a built-in function for this, which basically scans for any corrupted or missing files and automatically replaces them. It's often the simplest fix and can save you a ton of headache by ensuring everything is where it should be before you even dive into deeper troubleshooting. If verifying files didn't do the trick, next up, we need to talk about permissions. Sometimes your operating system just isn't giving GOG Galaxy or Cyberpunk the green light it needs to properly launch. Right-clicking both the GOG Galaxy executable and the game's executable, then selecting Run as Administrator can often bypass these invisible roadblocks. You might also want to set this permanently in their compatibility settings just to make sure they always have the proper authority to get going. Still no luck? Then let's look at your system's foundation, starting with your drivers. Outdated graphics drivers are notorious for causing launch failures, so make sure yours are up to date directly from NVIDIA. And while you're at it, try temporarily disabling any third-party overlays like Discord or GeForce Experience, and even your antivirus, as these can sometimes interfere with how a game interacts with your system, causing it to crash or simply fail to start. All right, if you've tried everything else, it might be time for a more aggressive approach. GOG Galaxy's cache can sometimes get cluttered or corrupted, so clearing it out in the settings can resolve stubborn launch issues. As a last resort, if nothing else works, a clean reinstallation of GOG Galaxy itself and then Cyberpunk ensures you're starting from a completely fresh slate, often solving even the most persistent launch woes.